Hi, Year 9. So what you're going to be doing in your next test this week is to be beginning your artist research task. In this slide, you see lots of not yet, and that should also have a not yet on there. Okay, some of you have already started this. You are going to select 3 pieces of work by the artist Vic Muniz using the links that you have been shared with in here. So there are links to Vic Muniz here. I think he is absolutely incredible. Look into this image and see all the little bits of rubbish that he swept away to create this portrait. If you haven't watched it, watch this. It's mind-blowing. If you can get hold of the whole video, then watch it. It's something that your parents would probably enjoy as well. Okay, the task. The task is to find 3 of his artworks. You must be able to find the title of the artwork, the date it was created, and the media. Media is what it is made from, okay? For each of them, you're answering the question, what is the relevance of the media used in connection with the artwork? Those of you on the call today really spoke of the relevance of this. So Steve Jobs, for one, the pose has him looking thoughtful, pensive, has him looking like he's focused. Attributes we would probably put to Steve Jobs. The other is all of the use of the materials that go into making and creating a computer really matches his world and what we know about him. So that is how I would answer this question. What is the relevance of the media used in connection with the artwork? These 3. The slides 25 to 32, you copy and paste and put them in your own workbook. You don't do this. You don't do this. You don't do this. You add an artwork here and answer a question. Here and here. You don't do this. That's in your own book. Okay, so you copy slide 25 to 32 and you paste that into your own workbook. When you've done that, I want you to post here the 3 images that you have used. This is so we can use our teacher slides as a classroom where we can share and see what other people are doing. Okay, play this back again if you're not really sure, and if you have any questions, you can ask me. This week, your next art lesson is Thursday. By the end of Thursday's lesson, you should have your goal, and you should have chosen 3 images from Vic Muniz's work and answered this question in your own workbook. How to submit your goal. Classwork here, submission of your goal will be through your submitting your visual arts digital sketchbook here. I'll return it to you so you can continue working. Okay, thanks Year 9 and good luck.